Wait, I gotta turn it this way.
You put it in selfie mode, and then you're all, hey, am I in the frame?
Am I in it now? Look at it. Am I in it now?
No, up higher. To your left. Left little. Perfect.
Okay. It's hard to do because I can't do reverse whatever. Anyway, so this video is, I'm doing kind of I'm breaking this up into 3 sections. So this video is us unboxing it, and then there's another video of, once it's put on the tripod. So I did 2 videos, and now this one I'm just going to show it with the counterweight bar. We don't have do you want to put the weight on it real quick?
No.
Okay. Just the bars on it, and we've got it, he got it to the degree marker that it will be at basically for shooting here. So I'm going to think about this because I don't want you in it, so I can't just turn it right around. Okay, so I'm going to turn it this way. There we go, because I don't want you in it. Okay. Flip. All right, so here it is. Set up on the tripod. Don't tickle me. Don't grab me. Oh. So it's set up. You might want to move with me if you don't want to be in this because I was going to show this side. Okay. Very pretty. So he was telling me that they don't make this tripod for it anymore, and that's why it doesn't match. They did an upgraded tripod for it, which in some ways might be better, but it might actually need a pier extension. So the fact that this one doesn't need a pier extension is what's really, really nice about it. So there we go.